Hi guys, so Clara and I decided to celebrate spring by making some beautiful paper flowers. And like always, we are going to begin by opening up our kit. So we're going to ask Clara to help us with that. Open it up, Clara, and let's see what we've got in our Wonder Connection paper flower kit. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, what color of flower do you want to make, Clara?
Blue.
Blue. Alright, so blue for you. And I'm going to use the pink one. Alright, so first thing you want to do is just unfold your paper like that. And you should find that you have got 4 pieces that are the same size. And so starting out, just put one at the bottom. And then take each one and carefully lay it on top so that they are pretty aligned as you can get them. Okay, so now that we've got this all flat and 4 pieces sitting on top of each other, and you can use more pieces if you want, but I'd say don't use less than 4, so at least 4, but you could do up to like 6 or 8. And then once you got them all lined up like that, so Clara, you might want to take it and just put it that way around. I think it's going to make it easier. And then we're going to fold just about like an inch or a little bit less than an inch.
Are we going to make a paper fan?
Yeah, it looks exactly like a paper fan. I'm glad you said that. Good job. So you fold it about an inch in and then you flip the whole thing over. Great. And very carefully fold it the same with the game. Press it down. Fold it over. Flip it over. And
Flip it over again.
fold it again. And so you're just going back and forth, flipping it over each time. So just like Clara said, it's kind of like making a paper fan if you've ever done that before. Okay, so next thing you want to do is fold it perfectly in half. Like that. And squish it together. Kind of looks like a mini fan now. Back yourself again. Okay, and then open it up and you will see that fold line there. And then grab a pipe cleaner. What color do you want, Clara? Pink for Clara. I will take a blue. And so what you want to do, Clara, just make sure you've got enough. So you want to leave quite a bit up like that. Wrap it all the way around. And then twist it at the bottom of the flower, like that.
Or you could just wrap it on one.
And make sure it stays on that fold line like that.
Like that?
Like that. Cool. Okay, now this is why we have the scissors. Alright, so what you want to do now is cut off the ends. So I'm going to make them into like a little kind of V shape. Alright, now, here's the tricky part. So what we're going to do now is we want to kind of open them up, and you can see it's starting to look like a flower already. So just pull each one around till the sides meet. And then you want to separate each piece. So find the top layer of paper and just start bringing it up. Pulling it towards the center. Yeah, this part takes a little while. You need to have a bit of patience, but this is what makes it look like a really beautiful paper flower, so it's worth taking your time. So you're pulling the bottom 3 layers down and then you're pulling the top layer up. There we go, and then just one more thing to do. So grab a straw and put your pipe cleaner in there. There you have it, beautiful paper flower. And then you were probably wondering what your cup for, so that's your vase. If it's a little too long, you can just snip off a bit on the bottom.
Lift off the pipe cleaner.
There we go.